welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, I'm super excited because I'm doing one of the newest collection from Colourpop, and it's their Dark Blooms collection. I only got one of the palette, and it's this palette right here, and this is Ordinate. And this palette right here retail for $14. So I'm going to open it up so you guys can see. Look how beautiful is the packaging. This palette right here is so perfect for the fall. It has super pretty fall colors. Look how gorgeous is this. And I also got two lipsticks and a gloss, and this also retail $8 each. So I'm super excited to try this out. So now we're just gonna begin with the eyes. I'm gonna be using this fluffy brush right here. And I'm going to be using this color right here. And this is Siren. So beautiful. It looks like a yellowish color. And I'm going to place that in my crease area. Get that color, pack it up, and see how the pigment is. And I'm just going to bring it out this time. That's pretty. That's just one swipe, and look how beautiful is that yellow. That yellowish orange. So I'm just going to feather it out and just bring it out. These are beautiful color. I'm going to grab this color right here, and it's Viral. Beautiful color. And I'm going to use the same brush. We're going to keep this look super easy, and we're just going to place that right underneath where I put that yellow color. I'm going to use another fluffy brush, and I'm just going to bring that yellow back. Super cute. I'm loving the formula of this. I'm going to use a smaller brush like this, and this is Sigma E45. This color right here, and that's Dream. And I'm going to place it in my outer corner. And in my inner corner. And then whatever's on the brush, just swipe it motion. Then use that brush and just blend everything out. And get that Viral color, that little burgundy color, and just blend it all together. Look how beautiful is that. Do you guys see that? I'm gonna darken that black a little bit in the outer and inner corner. And grab that Siren and just bring out that yellow. Now I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Concealer, and this is in Light Medium Honey. I'm going to cut my crease, and I'm going to place that right here in the center. I'm going to do a halo effect. I'm going to place this color right here, and this is Bohem. And I'm going to use my finger and just tap it. Super simple look. Look how beautiful is that. That is gorgeous. I love that color. Just like that. That is gorgeous. Do you guys see that? How beautiful that is. Alright, I'm going to do my other eye. Now I'm going to be using my Maybelline New York Lasting Drama Gel Liner. And it's like this, in black. And I'm going to just wing my eyes. I'm going to do my other eyes, put lashes on, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm going to do my bottom eyes, and I'm going to use Rival, and I'm going to also use Tipsy, and I'm just going to smoke that out. So I'm going to use this little pencil brush like that, and I'm going to grab that brown color, Tipsy, and it looks like that. And I'm just going to smoke it out a little bit. I'm going to use this angle brush like this, and I'm going to put this color right here, and I'm going to place it underneath my waterline. These names are so weird, guys. So in my inner corner, I'm going to use this color right here, and it's Gilded. And I'm going to place that in my inner corner. Grab that color. Just like that. And I'm going to place the other one. Super cute. It's like a champagne color. In my waterline, I'm going to be using Rimmel London, and this is Scandal Eyes 24 Hour in Nude. And I'm going to use Benefit Bad Girl Mascara in black, and I'm just going to place that in my bottom lash. Alright guys, so we're going to do our lips. These are the 3 lipsticks right here. Beautiful. I love how the packaging is. It's gorgeous. This one is right here is the lip gloss. And this is so beautiful. I can't wait to test this one out. And this one is in Lust. And I have these 2 right here. And one is a little lighter than the other one. And these are weird names. This one is Ingenude. And this one is Ludberg. I'm butchering this, guys. I don't even know if this is the right name, but I tried. But look how beautiful is this color. So gorgeous. I'm going to try the Ingenude. I'm going to try this one today. I love how the formula feels on my lip. Like, it really feels super creamy. Doesn't feel sticky on your lips at all. I love it. It matched actually with the eyes. Super pretty. So I'm going to put the gloss in now. And it has like this orangey golden specks. So beautiful. Alright guys, so this is the lips. I'm liking it. It's super natural, super soft. So perfect for the eyeshadow look. I'm going to finish up my face. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this eye tutorial and me using the Colourpop, the newest collection here, the Dark Bloom. Perfect for the fall. I'm in love with the packaging. So cute. You guys seen how I did my eyes. I didn't have no fallouts. Didn't have any patchiness on the eyelids. I love this little palette right here. And Colourpop always has the best formulation and it's super affordable. This is it. I hope you guys enjoy this, and I hope you guys give me a big thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe. And until my next video, bye bye.